If you're looking for the best premium noise-canceling headphones in 2026, two of the biggest options right now are AirPods Max 2 and Sony WH-1000XM6. Apple has refreshed its flagship headphones with a new H2 chip, improved active noise cancellation, smarter computational audio, and better spatial audio processing. The AirPods Max 2 starts at $549, keeping it firmly in the premium headphone category. Meanwhile, Sony continues its legendary 1000X series with the WH-1000XM6, bringing upgraded noise cancellation technology, customizable sound tuning, and some of the best battery life in this category. So in this video, we'll compare AirPods Max 2 and Sony WH-1000XM6 head-to-head to help you decide which one is actually worth buying. And if you want to buy either of these headphones, check the links in the description. Design and build. Starting with the design, the AirPods Max 2 keeps Apple's premium build with aluminum ear cups, a stainless steel frame, and a breathable mesh headband. The build quality feels extremely solid and high-end. However, the headphones still don't fold, which makes them slightly less convenient for travel. The Sony WH-1000XM6 focuses more on comfort and portability. They are lighter, more compact, and the ear cups fold, making them easier to carry in a bag. So while AirPods Max 2 feels more premium, Sony offers better comfort and portability. Sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, both headphones deliver excellent audio but with different tuning styles. The AirPods Max 2 uses Apple's H2 chip, which powers computational audio and delivers balanced sound with clear vocals and detailed highs. You also get spatial audio with head tracking, which creates a more immersive experience for movies and music. The Sony WH-1000XM6 delivers strong bass and dynamic sound, and it allows users to customize the sound using an equalizer in Sony's companion app. So if you prefer balanced audio, AirPods Max 2 is great, but if you want customizable sound with deeper bass, Sony has the advantage. Noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is one of the biggest strengths of both headphones. The AirPods Max 2 improves ANC with the H2 chip, helping block out more background noise compared to the previous generation. The Sony WH-1000XM6, however, uses advanced noise-canceling processing and multiple microphones, allowing it to adapt to different environments and reduce noise very effectively. Both perform extremely well, but Sony still slightly leads in adaptive noise cancellation. Connectivity and features. The AirPods Max 2 works seamlessly with Apple devices. You get instant pairing with iPhone, automatic device switching, spatial audio support, and Siri integration. The Sony WH-1000XM6 focuses more on flexibility. It supports Bluetooth multi-point connectivity, allowing you to connect to two devices at the same time. Sony also supports high-quality wireless audio codecs, which can improve audio quality on compatible devices. So if you use mostly Apple devices, AirPods Max 2 integrates better, while Sony offers more flexibility across different platforms. Battery life. Battery life is another area where Sony has an advantage. The AirPods Max 2 offers around 20 hours of listening time with noise cancellation enabled. Meanwhile, the Sony WH-1000XM6 can deliver around 30 hours of battery life, making it better for long trips or extended listening sessions. Final verdict. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods Max 2 offers seamless integration, excellent sound quality, and powerful spatial audio features. But if you want longer battery life, lighter design, and highly customizable sound, the Sony WH-1000XM6 may actually be the better choice. That's the quick comparison between AirPods Max 2 and Sony WH-1000XM6. If you're planning to buy either of these headphones, check the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next one.